What if I told you that by reading 40 books on money, I discovered a simple truth that can make you rich? Stick with me for the next few minutes because I'm about to reveal the key principles that will change your financial future forever. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of the usual get-rich-quick schemes and want something that actually works, you've come to the right place. I recently dove deep into the world of personal finance and read over 40 books on money. And let me tell you, there are some powerful lessons that can literally transform your financial life. So, if you've ever wondered how the rich get rich and why some people struggle while others thrive, stay tuned because today I'm going to break it all down for you. 1. The foundations of wealth building. First things first, let's talk about the foundation of wealth. After reading these 40 books, one thing became crystal clear. Wealth is built on mindset. Yes, you heard that right. Your mindset about money shapes how you handle it and how you grow it. Most of us have limiting beliefs about money. Maybe you've heard things like money doesn't grow on trees or rich people are greedy. But these beliefs are holding you back. Shift your mindset to one of abundance and possibility. Understand that you can create wealth and it's available to anyone willing to learn and take action. Segment 2. The importance of financial education. Next, let's talk about the power of financial education. You can't build wealth if you don't understand money. It's as simple as that. A lot of people think they can just save and hope to get rich, but that's not how it works. The rich understand investing, assets, liabilities, and cash flow. They know the difference between an asset that puts money in your pocket and a liability that takes it out. So, if you want to make money work for you, you need to educate yourself. And trust me, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Whether it's through books, courses, or mentors, get smart about your money. Segment 3. The power of compound interest and investing early. One of the most powerful lessons I learned from these books is the magic of compound interest. This is something that rich people swear by. When you start investing early and let your money grow over time, you're tapping into a force that works silently in the background. Let me give you an example. If you invest just $100 a month starting at age 20, by the time you're 60, you'll have over $1 million in your account, assuming an average annual return of 8%. It's that simple a time, and compounding are your best friends when it comes to building wealth. For building multiple streams of income, another thing that kept coming up in these books is the idea of multiple streams of income. Wealthy people don't rely on one source of income, they create multiple revenue streams. This could be through investments, side businesses, real estate, or even passive income from books or digital products. Think about it. If your job suddenly disappears, what do you have to fall back on? It's not just about earning more money, it's about diversifying your sources of income so you can weather any storm. Segment 5. The importance of saving and budgeting smartly. Now, this one might sound obvious, but it's still important. Save and budget your money wisely. It's not enough to earn more, you also have to know how to manage what you have. And this is where budgeting comes in. I've learned that creating a budget is not about depriving yourself of the things you love. It's about being intentional with your money. Prioritize your spending, cut out unnecessary expenses, and start saving and investing as soon as possible. This is what allows you to grow your wealth over time. Segment 6. The 80-20th Rule Pareto Principle. Here's a powerful principle that keeps showing up in these books. It's called the 80-20th Rule, or the Pareto Principle. The idea is that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. So, if you want to get rich, focus on the 20% of activities that give you the highest return on investment. Whether that's your career, investments, or business, identify where you can get the biggest payoff with the least effort. It's a game changer. Conclusion. So, if there's one thing I want you to take away from this video, it's this: wealth is a mindset, and it's built through education, smart investing, and taking action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Read, learn, invest, and take control of your financial future today. Remember, the journey to wealth isn't a sprint. It's a marathon. But if you follow these principles, you'll be on the right track.